Muhammad, and I want to cook a potato cook. Okay, ingredients. Sliced potatoes. These are spices such as turmeric, red pepper, black pepper, and salt. These are sheet. These are sheet cheese. These are egg, and this oil. This is Tabasco sauce and the tomato sauce. Tabasco sauce is very hot and you very little. Okay. First, turn on the stove. Okay. Next, add oil. Okay. Wait. Okay. Next, add the potato, sliced potatoes. Okay. Put it on the pan and wait 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Next, okay. I talk about potato cocoa around the world. I say about potato cocoa around the world. Okay. Potato cocoa is very delicious and quick and delicious. Kids very like this because it's very delicious and quick, and the ingredients is very very quick. Okay, wait 2-3 minutes. Okay, these are sheet cheese you like can add, but it's very delicious to add this. Okay, let's please wait. Okay, then, okay, let's wait 2 minutes. Okay, then add, then beat the eggs. Okay, for a second, let's move. Okay, please. Okay, I beat this. Then add the spices such as I said. Okay. Okay. This is on. Turmeric, turmeric is a yellow and it's good for this. Okay, I think it's ready. Okay, so this again, these are these eggs. Proceed. Okay, and then add these are. Started. Okay, look how these. a delicious food, and I very like it. Okay, please put it. Okay. Please wait 2 or 3 minutes for and you should add very little of oil because it's not it's unhealthy, and it's not good, and it's unhealthy for your body, for our body. Just wait. Okay, it's good in like 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, then I add the cheese to this. And this cheese is very delicious. If you like, you can add 60. I add 2 60s because it's so good. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. Hello again. This potato cocktail is ready. It's very good for egg. Okay. I say about the ingredients. Okay. Potato, egg, and turmeric. It's a very useful for our body, and they are health, especially turmeric and egg. Sometimes you can eat egg for your breakfast, and it's because it's very healthy. Okay, the turmeric has a very strong antioxidants, and it's very healthy for our body. I suggest you to cook this and eat this. Enjoy it. Goodbye.